Alright, so here's that motor from the previous video that I was running with just gas. You know, it's basically purposely abusing it. Here I got the plug out, listen to the nice grinding sounds. Oh yeah, definitely a lot of shitty scrapage going on in there, so. Alright, continue taking it apart, further investigation. Alright, so here's another listen at that sound with the crank cover off there. Oh yeah, lots of good destruction going on in there. Yep. Alright. I'm going to take it all the way down so I can get a good look at the piston and the inside of the bore. So this bearing in here still totally good to go. I believe it's needle bearings in there, so you know those were fine. In there, needle bearings, those are still good to go. Around the pin inside there, also needle bearings, good to go. However, the main friction came from, as you might expect, the piston and the cylinder wall. A lot of scraping going on in there. Simple way to put it. So, there's a lesson for you, boys and girls. You're supposed to mix the gas and oil for a reason. But we knew that anyways, so, you know, all in good fun.